We keep our visit as brief as possible. We only do essential things, and the only reason we do that is to aid the recovery of the population so that there is a net benefit to the birds. We call it a banding visit, but really it's a nest visit. We do it to benefit the birds. It's not a hobby. It's not something we do for fun.
Hey lady, it's us. Do me a favor.
There are 4 things that we do there, and banding is only one of those 4. Verify the nesting results. This is essential data we need.
There's one unhatched egg here. That's not unusual at all for one or more of the eggs not to hatch.
The second thing is to identify the adults.
We've identified the female. We think there's a new male. Well, we know there's a new male. We just don't know who he is yet.
The female peregrine falcon that is nesting on City Hall came from a nest on Tuckahoe River.
Now I'm going to give him a health exam. We're just checking them to make sure that they're nice and healthy and developing well. Okay, so he's a 20-day-old. Good for you, little guy.
There are conditions that we can correct right there at the nest site, which help them to survive. One of our most important tools for tracking the population. It allows us to find out where they go, whether they nest.
I always check to make sure there are no sharp edges, that the band is nice and round.
And fortunately, by doing all these things, we have verified that Pennsylvania is a population source, not a sink.
Peregrines nested here at City Hall. They were documented nesting here in the 1940s, and they probably nested here decades before that.